there, my name is Evangelos, and today I'm going to show you our smart chessboard. The idea behind the smart chessboard is that we have a chessboard that basically helps new players figure out what the legal moves for each piece category is, and to do that we use LEDs to show the possible moves when we pick up every piece. The way the current system works is pretty easy and straightforward. We have our serial monitor over here, which you can see in the screencast, and what happens with that is that the serial monitor basically gives us a textual representation of our actual chessboard so we can track our moves around the board, and then when we pick up a piece we're going to be able to see what possible movements we have. So let's get started, and I'm going to be playing both players today just for demonstration, and let's get started. So first of all, we're going to be looking at the board on the serial monitor. So over here, I see that I can start with whites, and we use the pretty normal and standard chess numbering system from A to H and from A to 1. And we're going to be using the proper and standard cell and tile referencing system in chess, which goes with the column, specifying the column number first using the letters, and then the row number using the numbers 8 to 1 after that. So let's get started, right? So let's say we're playing whites and we want to move pawn 5. So pawn 5, as you can see in the textual representation, is E7. So I'm just going to type E7 and let's see what happens. So while we pressed that, what really happened was that if you know basic chess rules, the pawns can move one or two places when they haven't moved before. So here I'm presented with two options, either move to E6 or E5, and I want to move to E5, so I'm just going to register that, type E5, and then I will just move the pawn to E5, and that will register the piece to E5 over here. And now, as you can see in the screencast in our serial monitor, the piece has been updated. So let's say we're playing blues now, and I want to play F2. So the sixth pawn over here. So F2. I want to see the possible movements. Again, the same idea. So let's do F4. You get the drill. We move the piece. Something interesting will happen now if we would like to move E5. So as you can see again, everything is registered in the textual representation in the serial monitor. So everything's tracked. So let's see what happens now. So how about we move pawn 5 now, and it's a pretty good spot. We can move it easily and attack the blue pawn. So I'm going to type E5 and let's see what happens. So now as you can see, I have two possible moves. I can even move ahead, or I can move to the left and attack the blue piece. In the serial monitor, you can also see that I'm also being shown where I can attack as well and where I'm picking up the piece. So that's really helpful for new players. So let's say I want to do F4 to attack the sixth blue pawn. So I'm just doing that. I'm moving this here, and now if you can see, the serial monitor has been updated. And what actually happens is that we also track the pieces that have been attacked and captured by the other team. So then, if a pawn reaches the end of the board, we can then promote it as with proper chess rules. And let's do another one just for demonstration. Let's say that we're playing the blue one. So let's do we can do G2, G1. So let's do G1. And we'll be shown the two movements at, and that's at F3 and then H3. And that's how a chessboard works. Thanks for watching, and we hope this helps you learn how to play chess. Bye-bye.